sir.
No more speaker, na? No more speaker. Yeah. I thank you, all the shareholder, for taking active participation in the discussion. Whatever suggestion and views you have expressed, we have noted, and we will try to implement all the suggestions. And I will try to respond to all your questions which you have raised. First, I will start from the, because a lot of questions on the different time. The first, I will start from the NPA, because the major issue in the banking industries is the recovery of the NPA. So I would like to give some broad idea about what bank is doing for recovering from the NPA. If you see the data, in 17-18, the addition in the NPA was 15,033 crore, which has reduced in the 18-19 to rupees 982. Recognition part is over. As far as recognition of NPA is concerned, that part is over. Now, what we have to do, we have to make the resolution as well as the recovery. If you see the number which I have given to you, already there is a steep decline in the addition also. And if you see the recovery, in the 17-18, which was 4,290 crore, has increased to 5,324 in 18-19, with a growth rate of 24%. If you see the further composition of the total recovery, what is the cash recovery, what is the upgradation, if you see the cash recovery, because ultimately when we will recover the cash only, then there is a chances for the upgradation also. Without the recovery of the cash recovery, account cannot be upgraded. So if you see, the cash recovery in 17-18, which was 1,680, has increased to 2,991, with a growth rate of 78%. So if you see both the side, addition has decreased year to year, and recovery either by the cash recovery, either by the upgradation, or the total recovery is increasing day by day. We have given the main priority to this, although we have to do all the other things. If only we will focus on the recovery and we will not focus on the improvement, the assets quality, containment of the NPA and the new advances also, that is not the only solution. But priority we have to give to the NPA, and I am very happy to share all of you, all UCOID, 33,000 UCOIDs, they are working day and night for the recovery. Even they are coming on the holidays also for the recovery, because 10 to 5 they are busy in the normal banking. If they have to recovery of the NPA account, they have to devote extra time. Each and every UCOID is devoting their extra time. Even they are doing their Sundays and holidays also. And we have made lot of studies also. If you ask me, there was a question of the 100 NPA accounts. Top 100 account of the bank is being monitored by myself and both my EDs. Every week we are monitoring what is the position. We are making the VC from the branches. We are making the VC from the zonal offices. Just a minute, listen. Please be silent. Yeah. And because if you ask me, the amount involved in the less than 25 lakhs, that is more than 5,000 crore. Where recovery is easy possible, because in the big account you all are aware, there is a legal process, either in the DRT, either in the NCLT, legal process. Any account less than 25 lakhs, where we are having the amount of around 5,000 to 6,000 crore, each and every borrower has to be contacted. This is the mission of the bank. And on daily basis, we are getting the report. What is the account, what is the amount involved, how much you have visited, what is the possibility of the recovery, or out of the possibility of the recovery, what recovery will come in the current quarter. And top 100 account of the zone, as I told you, top 100 account of the bank is being monitored by all the threes. Top 100 account of the zone is being monitored by the zonal manager itself. And each and every account where we are having the collateral securities, our head office recovery department is monitoring whether 13.2 has been issued, 13.4 has been issued. Not a single account we have allowed. If the account has become NPA, very same day. If even borrower is coming for the compromise or the settlement also, but this process will not stop. This process will stop only when the account amount will come in the credit and in the account only. That is a method. They can come for the compromise, but we will not stop any legal processes. This is the reason I am telling, I am happy to share to all of you, on account of this initiative, each and every borrower has to be contacted less than 25 lakhs. We have started this mission in February 2019. And all borrower was visited in the February itself. Again we are visiting each and every borrower. This was the reason, if you ask me, the recovery in the last quarter, in the March 19, the cash recovery was the 744 without any big account recovery. So 744 crore recovery is with the highest recovery, if you ask me, 18-19, quarter to quarter also. And I am happy to share all of you, because we have taken this step to meet all the borrower, small and the legal process for the all bigger account. Out of 1,261 crore which we have recovered by way of the cash recovery and by way of upgradation in the March 19 quarter, 570 crore itself we have received in the last 15 days of the March only. So this was the impact of the recovery. And there is a scheme also. We are having the scheme for the 10 lakhs also. We are having the scheme more than 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs OTS. And we have given the guidelines to all the our branches. There is a non-discretionary, there is a set formula. A borrower is coming for the compromise, we will, because ultimately moment we will start recovery, if amount is involved in the NPA, day which will recover, it will start earning for the interest. So my NIA will also be increased, my profitability will also be increased, my operating profit will also increase. And we are making, every month we are making the recovery camps also. We have having the mission Lakshya also, and that is being monitored on the daily basis. Daily the recovery figure from all the zone is coming on the WhatsApp of all the EDs and the MDs and the GMs also. And I am happy to share all of you. Today we have posted 4 general managers in the recovery. Out of the 1670 general manager we are having in the bank, 4 general manager we have put for the recovery. 1 general manager is exclusively looking after the recovery more than 25 crore. The second general manager is looking after the recovery less than 25 crore. The third general manager is only looking after the recovery for the retail loan, home loan, car loan. And 4th general manager also monitoring, taking the data also, and we are using the technology also. We are starting so many new initiatives also, each and every data, because unless until we will not use the data, we cannot make the recovery. The follow-up we have to make, unless until we will not use the data. So we are using the technology also. We have started NPA tracker. If branch manager or the officer will go to any borrower, he will make the entry in the NPA tracker. Moment he will make the entry in the NPA tracker, automatically this entry will come to my GM recovery. Even they will take the photographs also. So that if there is a transfer in the future also, the one officer to the entire history of the account will remain in the NPA tracker. It is geotagging also. I assure all of you, the aim of the bank is every quarter, recovery number should be much more than the addition. Because ultimately we want to reduce the gross NPA, if we want to reduce the net NPA, if addition will be only less than the recovery number, then only it is possible. Because I don't believe in the recovery as a professional. Write-off we can make. Whatever the cash recovery we have made, we can, that is open as per the guidelines. We can make the write-off also to reduce the number of the gross NPA. But ultimately, if addition is less than the recovery, that is the only solution, and we are working for that. We will see how success we will be in our whatever the target we have made. We have set a target, because if you ask me what is the guidelines of the PCA, the 3 guidelines. One is you should be in profit. Second, the capital adequacy should be the minimum. Third is the NPA. NPA we have definitely make a target to reduce less than 6%, which is the PCA guidelines. Your net NPA should be less than 6%. We are making the target ki by the end of the March 20, our net NPA should be less than 6%. That is our target, and we are working for this. There was one question ki, in my speech I have told you, the gross NPA number of the March 18 was 24.64%, which has increased to 25% in the March 19. There was a speaker who was telling ki if you see the number, in absolute number, the NPA number was 30,550 in March 18, which has reduced to 29,888.33 crore. So he was asking, you have told ki gross NPA has been increased in the number, but it has reduced in the number. So this is a percentage. If you see the percentage, there is an increase in the percentage, but absolute number, definitely there is a decrease. The percentage of the gross NPA has increased on account of the reduction in the advances. If you see the advance portfolio of the bank in March 18 was 1,23,919, which has reduced to 1,19,573. So this was the reason the gross number has increased, although there was a reduction. There was also a question from one of the speaker, if you want to reduce the number of the gross NPA, you should restrict the corporate finance. I don't know how you will take, but as far as our bank is concerned, I will give you the figure. The corporate advance of the bank in September 17 was 76,061 crore, which has reduced to 74,026 in March 18. If you ask me the figure of the March 19, it has reduced to 66,452. So we have substantially reduced in the corporate advance also, because we are giving the thrust. We are giving the thrust to increase the retail advances and the MSCM advances, because we are working in a agriculture country, so we have to give the finance to the agriculture. We cannot say no. Even there is I know there is a high NPA, but we are trying to recover also, but we are not stopping the finance to the agriculture, because the 60% of the farmers is dependent on the farm finance. As far as one of the question was the NCLT, one of my gentlemen, he was asking so many questions. The one of the question, because the question of the NPA will take at the same time. The NCLT, if you ask me, our bank has referred 183 crore account for 25,096 crore in the NCLT. The present outstanding as on date is 22,175. Out of the 183 accounts, 109 account was admitted, 72 account was not admitted. 109 account ki amount was 15,865, 72 account not admitted, 8,226, and 2 account sold to the ARC 1,005. You were asking for the recovery also. What is the recovery in the NCLT account? In NCLT account, I will like to make 3 categories, where order has been passed by the NCLT and recovery has also made. So the account, there is 6 account where NCLT has also passed the order. We have recovered the entire amount of 1,163 crore 66 lakh. There is a second category where the NCLT has passed the order, but recovery has come in the part, yet to be received part recovery. There is a 7 account where we have already recovered 20 crore and 79 crore has already been to be received by us. There is a third category where COC has approved the NCLT plan, but it has to be approved by the NCLT, where we have to make the recovery. The debt number is the 14 account mein COC has already approved. NCLT has passed the order, where we are going to get 1,795 crore, and I am hopeful. Out of 1,795, we have made an analysis also, 1,500 crore definitely will come in the either in the next quarter or the December quarter, ultimately by the March. We are hopeful that at least 1,000 crore we should be in a position to recover by the September quarter, because June quarter is over. Whatever the account big number of the account is not to be. Second, I will touch the capital adequacy. If you ask me my capital adequacy, it is 10.7 as on March 18, with the CET1 of the 8.64 and the 2.04 is the Tier 2 one. If you ask me honestly, What should be my capital adequacy? Because CET1 as per the regulatory requirement minimum debt, because that is also threshold limit. 6% I told you for the NPA number we will reduce. So second we have to see the capital also. Capital, if you ask me, 8.86 should be the CET1 and 2% is the Tier 2. So 10.86 should be the minimum capital requirement considering the CCB, which is 0.62 multiplied by 3, 1.86. Because if you ask me the what is the capital requirement as on March 20, then it will be 11.5. So either you compare what was the minimum requirement on the March 19 or what will be my minimum requirement on the March 20. So 10.70, if you see from the March 19, it is little bit below, but I should see because I have to see the future, not the March 19. So it is less than the 11.5. So last time we have got the good support from the government also. Government has very kind enough to give the capital 2 times. 3,076 crore we have received in the December quarter and 3,330 we have received in the February quarter. So 6,426 we have received from the government, and we have also tried, because what is the avenues available? We have also tried, we have convinced all our staff also, they have also contributed 266, it was not a small number. 266 crore from 23,000. My compliment to all my staff members. They have each and every have devoted and come to the support to the bank for the capital. So this is the plan A. Because if you ask me, there is a lot of question on the capital adequacy, the capital from the government. If you see the capital of the government in March 2019, it was 93.29%. And if you ask me the LIC holding, it is 4.17 and remaining is the public 2.54. The question is, because if you ask me the SEBI guidelines, the public holding should be minimum 25%. We have committed to the government, we are committed to the shareholder also. We have given the exemption by the government to reduce this 93% to 75% by August 20, and we are committed to that. For that, definitely we have to approach the QIP also, market also, appropriate time we will take the decision. But 93.29%, which was in the March 19, has reduced as on date 92.52 on account of allotment to the government of the 3,330 and also the ESPS of 266 crore to my employees. So this number has reduced. We are working on that. We are committed. We have to bring this number to 75%. The